Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. I am super excited to share with you my mom's traditional steamed radish cake recipe. To start, you will need to rinse and remove the skin on one medium-sized white radish. You will need to grate the radish and make sure you keep the sweet juice from the radish. You may be asking, why would you want to make it from scratch at home when you can buy it from the store? Of course, everything tastes better when it's made at home. Dice one strip of cured pork belly, and as you know, we actually cure our own pork belly. Super tasty recipe. Honestly, my mom has the best traditional homemade dim sum recipes. I know this because I've tried ordering it at a restaurant and it's not the same. The ones you get at the restaurant are actually dry. The one she makes at home is moist, smooth, and really sweet. Next, you will need to dice 2 preserved pork sausages. What I love about this dish is that you can eat it as a standalone or you can cut it into cubes and stir fry it. Dice 2 strips of salted turnip head, and this is great for texture and taste. As you can already see by the ingredients, you can just imagine how tasty and delicious this dish is going to be. I'm actually very curious how many of my viewers are still watching and how many of you are actually going to make this dish. If you are still watching, thank you so much. Now what we're going to do is add the diced pork belly to the wok on high heat, and we're going to cook the ingredients we're going to add to the radish. Then you're going to add your pork sausages and your salted turnip head and stir fry that all together. Once the ingredients are cooked, set it aside, and then we're going to need to steam the radish. Add the shredded radish and any of its sauce into the wok on high heat. Then add 1 cup of water. Bring the mixture to a boil and then turn off the heat. For today's recipe, we will be using rice flour to hold all the ingredients together. Add 1 cup of rice flour to a mixing bowl and then slowly add water and stir. It is really important to add the water slowly and stir, as you don't want to add too much water, causing the mixture to be too watery. If you've ever made pancake batter, that's exactly how this mixture should look like, pancake batter. Watch carefully, this is the consistency that your batter should be. Next, we're going to use the liquid from the radish to cook the batter. This is probably the most important step in the recipe. You're using the hot sweet radish liquid to cook the batter slightly. This technique is what makes the radish cake smooth and not clumpy. Continue to add the hot liquid in and stir until it's all gone. Then add the radish in and stir evenly. Next, add the 3 ingredients you previously cooked and set aside: the cured pork belly, the preserved pork sausages, and the diced salted turnip head. Mix everything together well and make sure that it's all evenly distributed. Scoop or pour your mixture into a steaming plate. Now, it doesn't have to be super deep. I like it actually not to be too deep so it can cook evenly. Cover and steam until it firms up. This is what it looks like when it's ready. Add some diced green onion to garnish and then cut it into cubes or diamond shapes to serve with a little bit of sweet soy sauce is perfect. Or you can cut it up and stir fry it like I do.